Today we're gonna see how to send money from Western Union to GCash. Firstly, open the GCash app and log in, then tap on the cash in at the home screen. Today we're gonna see how to transfer money from Western Union to Revolut. Firstly, if Western Union allows bank transfers to Revolut, open the Western Union website or app and log in. Select Send Money and enter the recipient details. Choose Bank Transfer as the delivery method, then enter your Revolut IBAN, BIC or SWIFT code. Confirm the transfer and complete the payment. You can wait for the funds to arrive in your Revolut account. Processing time depends on Western Union and can take up to 1 to 3 business days. Just claim the funds from Western Union, deposit it into your regular bank account, and open Revolut app and then tap Add Money and use your bank account or card to top up your Revolut balance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.